A profound revelation, a truly game-changing insight into the very essence of healthy aging remains almost entirely unknown to a vast majority of individuals over 70. This isn't about some fleeting health fad or a costly, hard-to-find supplement. It's about a simple, humble vegetable protein, thoroughly scrutinized and championed by scientific research, demonstrating an astonishing capacity to reignite muscle growth, restore lost strength, and even safeguard the precious faculty of memory as the years advance. This isn't the kind of secret you hear whispered in health food stores or marketed on late-night infomercials. This is real food, the kind found in kitchens worldwide, yet possessing an extraordinary collection of unique compounds. These compounds are adept at reactivating your body's innate ability to construct and preserve crucial muscle tissue, even during that stage of life when everything else seems to decelerate. And perhaps the most astounding part of this entire discovery is that these foods are neither exotic nor rare. They are not expensive elixirs flown in from distant lands. Instead, they likely reside right on your dinner plate, patiently awaiting recognition for the incredibly potent medicine they truly represent. Today, we are not just going to scratch the surface. We are going to dive deep, meticulously uncovering precisely which vegetable proteins hold the immense power to keep you vibrant, strong, wonderfully independent, and brimming with energy long past your 70th birthday. But there's a critical piece of information, a singular fact, that you absolutely cannot afford to miss. If you click away, if you even think about closing this page before reaching the end, you will undoubtedly miss out on the most pivotal secret for preserving your muscles, keeping them alive and robust well into your later years. The number one food on this list is so extraordinarily potent, so fundamentally transformative, that it has the potential to completely redefine how you think about dietary protein, possibly even surpassing, in certain crucial aspects, the nutritional powerhouse that eggs are often considered to be. Do not let this vital knowledge slip through your fingers. Your future strength and independence could very well depend on it. We won't waste another precious second. Let us begin this journey of discovery immediately. Okra. Okra, often a quiet contender in the culinary world, might not immediately strike you as a nutritional powerhouse with its unassuming green appearance. Yet within the unassuming shell of this simple pod lies a truly remarkable ally for maintaining robust muscle health, especially as we age. A single cup of cooked okra delivers approximately 2 grams of protein, a figure that, while modest, hardly tells the full story of its profound contribution. Okra's true gift, its unparalleled strength, doesn't lie merely in the protein it contains, but rather in its unique ability to significantly enhance your body's efficiency in utilizing all the protein you consume from various sources. The secret to this remarkable digestive magic is found in its soluble fiber and the distinctive mucilage, that famously thick, gel-like substance for which okra is renowned. These extraordinary compounds work synergistically to gently coat and soothe the entire digestive tract, actively strengthening the delicate gut lining. This process, in turn, creates an optimal environment, making it far easier for your body to extract and absorb vital nutrients from every meal you eat. Because let's be absolutely clear, protein's benefits are entirely nullified if your system isn't equipped to effectively absorb it. By acting as a gentle yet powerful digestive aid, okra quite literally prepares the stage, ensuring that all your meals work harder and smarter for the benefit of your muscles. But okra's impressive capabilities extend far beyond digestion. It is also generously laden with a rich spectrum of antioxidants, including potent flavonoids and polyphenols. These incredible plant compounds tirelessly combat insidious inflammation and oxidative stress, two silent, hidden forces that relentlessly wear down precious muscle tissue, eventually leaving you feeling perpetually tired and drained. Furthermore, every serving of okra provides a significant boost of essential minerals like magnesium and potassium. These minerals are not just bystanders, they are active participants, working in concert to facilitate smooth muscle contractions, effectively preventing those sudden, often debilitating muscle cramps and stabilizing your energy levels throughout the day. If you've ever experienced the uncomfortable sensation of heavy, sluggish legs, or been abruptly woken by those sharp, agonizing nighttime cramps, incorporating okra into your diet can truly make a noticeable difference. This is precisely why okra is often described as a quintessential supporter food. While it may not boast the highest protein count on its own, it plays an indispensable role by paving the way, allowing your body to more effectively harness the protein you do consume. It's remarkably gentle on your digestive system, yet its impact is undeniably powerful and far-reaching. Cooking okra is wonderfully straightforward and versatile. You can stew it alongside ripe tomatoes and fragrant garlic for a classic, comforting dish that speaks of tradition. It can be lightly steamed until it achieves perfect tenderness, or effortlessly dropped into soups and stews where its unique properties blend in seamlessly, enhancing the overall nutritional profile. And for those who may be less keen on its distinctive texture, a delicious alternative is to slice it thinly and roast it until delightfully crispy edges form, transforming it into a surprisingly palatable and enjoyable vegetable. In countless traditional households, okra is cherished as more than just a food. It is a source of comfort and wellness. Grandmothers historically served it in soothing broths to calm upset stomachs, or incorporated it into rice dishes to make meals more filling and satisfying. For seniors who frequently worry about the onset of nighttime cramps or the pervasive fatigue that can cloud their days, okra transcends the role of a mere vegetable. It becomes a gentle, steadfast friend, actively helping you maintain your independence, sustain your mobility, and bolster your overall confidence. Therefore, if your goal is to cultivate stronger, more resilient muscles, it's crucial to look beyond just the protein numbers. Focus intently on foods that actively facilitate easier nutrient absorption, and in this vital role, okra stands out as one of the most effective and accessible choices available. Here's asparagus. A simple cup of cooked asparagus, while offering a modest 2 to 3 grams of protein, presents an astonishing nutritional bounty that extends far beyond this initial figure. Its true value, its most profound contribution to your well-being, lies in an entirely different, yet equally crucial, nutrient: choline. This often overlooked nutrient functions as an indispensable messenger, diligently transmitting vital signals from your brain directly to your muscles. This intricate communication ensures that every movement you make feels fluid, precise, and beautifully coordinated. When your choline levels unfortunately dip, these essential signals falter and weaken. This is precisely when steps can begin to feel uncertain and shaky, when hands might develop an uncontrollable tremor, or when your reaction time subtly but noticeably slows down, making daily tasks feel more challenging. By consistently incorporating asparagus into your meals, you are actively working to keep this critical brain-to-muscle communication line wide open and optimally functioning, directly supporting your physical agility and mental sharpness. Yet, choline is merely the starting point of asparagus's incredible benefits. This verdant vegetable is also brimming with folate and vitamin E, a formidable nutritional duo that synergistically works to improve blood flow throughout your body and vigorously support cellular repair. With enhanced circulation, your muscles receive a steady, abundant supply of oxygen and vital nutrients, translating into sustained energy for everyday activities. Whether it's a leisurely walk, confidently ascending a flight of stairs, or simply standing with unwavering ease. And as the day gracefully draws to a close, these very same nutrients continue their diligent work, helping your body to recover and bounce back with greater efficiency, rather than succumbing to an overwhelming sense of exhaustion. Another subtle, yet profoundly important advantage of asparagus is its natural diuretic effect. It gently assists your body in releasing excess water, alleviating uncomfortable swelling without the detrimental side effect of stripping your system of essential minerals. For anyone who has ever experienced the discomfort of swollen legs, puffy ankles, or that heavy dragging sensation after prolonged standing, this seemingly minor detail can be an absolute game changer, bringing significant relief and improved comfort. And here's a fascinating fact that remains largely unknown to most people. Asparagus is one of nature's richest sources of glutathione, frequently heralded as the body's master antioxidant. Glutathione operates like an invisible shield, diligently protecting your delicate muscle fibers from the daily onslaught of damage caused by everyday stress and the relentless march of aging. With enhanced protection from this powerful compound, your muscles naturally remain stronger, more resilient, and significantly less prone to premature fatigue. Cooking asparagus is wonderfully quick and effortless. You can steam it until it's just tender, retaining its vibrant color and crisp texture. Alternatively, roast it with a light splash of olive oil until its tips achieve a delightful golden hue, enhancing its natural sweetness. Or, for a nourishing start to your day, simply fold it into a fluffy omelet. However you choose to savor it, asparagus quietly yet powerfully supports your balance, maintains your steady movement, and contributes significantly to your overall confidence in every single step you take, ensuring a more active and engaged life. Now, Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts, despite their unassuming, diminutive size, are truly mighty packages, with each tiny green bud concealing an astonishing reservoir of strength and vital nutrients. A single cup of these cooked wonders delivers approximately 4 grams of protein, a respectable amount that merely scratches the surface of their profound impact. Their true, unparalleled gift lies in the extraordinary way they diligently protect and robustly support the very intricate framework upon which your muscles and joints critically depend. One of the most significant reasons for their power is their exceptional content of vitamin C. Your body fundamentally relies on this essential vitamin to synthesize collagen, which acts as the crucial scaffolding that maintains the firmness and flexibility of your muscle fibers, ligaments, and tendons. Without an adequate supply of collagen, movements inevitably become stiffer, the recovery process after physical exertion decelerates dramatically, and the body can feel considerably older than its actual years. By consistently adding Brussels sprouts to your diet, you are actively helping to restore and fortify this vital internal structure, thereby promoting greater limberness and enduring strength. Beyond vitamin C, Brussels sprouts also contain a specialized group of potent compounds known as glucosinolates. These incredible plant defenders quietly yet effectively quell inflammation, that slow-burning, often silent fire within the body that relentlessly erodes muscle tissue and progressively stresses your joints over time. By diligently reducing this hidden, pervasive damage, Brussels sprouts create optimal internal conditions for the development and maintenance of healthier, more resilient muscles and the preservation of smoother, more comfortable movement. And then there's the indispensable vitamin K. While many people primarily associate it with blood clotting, vitamin K actually plays a profoundly powerful and often underestimated role in maintaining optimal bone density and facilitating seamless nerve-to-muscle communication. In practical, everyday terms, this translates to steadier steps, significantly improved balance, and a reduced risk of falls, factors that are paramount for preserving independence and quality of life in later years. This is why it's strongly encouraged to view Brussels sprouts as far more than just a seasonal holiday side dish. They deserve a prominent and consistent place on your table throughout the entire year. You can roast them until their edges achieve a delightful golden crispness. Drizzle them with a simple blend of olive oil and aromatic garlic, or mix them with crunchy walnuts and tart cranberries for a dish that is as exquisitely delicious as it is powerfully protective. Brussels sprouts may be bite-sized, but their collective impact on your strength, balance, and overall joint comfort is immeasurably greater than their small stature would ever suggest. Broccoli. Broccoli, often perceived as just another unassuming green vegetable adorning your plate, is in reality a silent yet incredibly potent guardian of your strength, vitality, and muscle integrity. A generous 100-gram serving of cooked broccoli typically provides around 2.5 to 3 grams of protein. While this quantity may not appear substantial when compared to certain other foods, what truly elevates broccoli to an invaluable status is its remarkable ability to actively protect and fortify the complex systems that are indispensable for keeping your muscles functioning optimally. At the very core of broccoli's impressive power lies sulforaphane, a natural compound that has been the subject of intensive scientific scrutiny for many years. This exceptional compound plays a crucial role in significantly dialing down chronic inflammation, that insidious, invisible process that relentlessly erodes muscle tissue and dramatically accelerates age-related weakness. Envision sulforaphane as a formidable shield, diligently helping your muscles resist daily wear and tear, maintaining their crucial flexibility, and facilitating more efficient recovery after any form of physical exertion. Beyond sulforaphane, broccoli also boasts an impressive and synergistic blend of essential nutrients. Its abundant vitamin C content robustly supports the production of collagen, which functions as the vital glue that keeps muscles, ligaments, and tendons strong and cohesive. Additionally, folate and vitamin K contribute another layer of comprehensive support by actively protecting bone health and enhancing the effectiveness of nerve-to-muscle communication. This means tangible benefits in your daily life, improved posture, more confident and steadier steps, and a significant reduction in moments of imbalance. Furthermore, broccoli's rich fiber content is instrumental in maintaining stable blood sugar levels and nourishing the beneficial bacteria residing in your gut. A healthy, flourishing gut biome directly translates to superior nutrient absorption, ensuring that the protein you consume from other sources is more effectively utilized and works harder for your muscle health. It's an important reminder for older adults. Building and maintaining strong muscles isn't solely about simply consuming large quantities of protein. It's fundamentally about cultivating the optimal internal environment within your body to effectively process and utilize that protein. Broccoli contributes on every single level: repair, protection, and digestion, making it one of the most profoundly underrated allies for sustaining long-term strength and independence. The best part is its effortless integration into your diet. Steam it until it achieves a vibrant green hue, roast it until it develops a pleasing, slightly crispy texture, stir-fry it with aromatic garlic and a drizzle of olive oil, or blend it into a warm, comforting soup for a nourishing meal. Just a few servings each week can initiate a significant shift in your body's internal landscape, moving it towards reduced inflammation, enhanced nutrient absorption, and a far more muscle-friendly state. This benefit becomes increasingly crucial and impactful with every passing year, solidifying broccoli's role as an indispensable component of a healthy aging strategy. Kale. Kale has, for good reason, frequently earned the distinguished title of a superfood, and in this particular instance, the descriptor is truly fitting and well-deserved. This robust, leafy green vegetable doesn't merely contribute a handful of vitamins to your plate. It operates on multiple interconnected levels to powerfully protect your muscles, fortify your bones, and enhance your overall strength and resilience. A single raw cup of kale impressively delivers around 4 grams of protein. While this figure might not seem extraordinary at first glance, the profound secret of kale lies within its incredibly dense and synergistic supply of supporting nutrients, which amplify its impact exponentially. Consider, for example, its exceptional vitamin K content. This vital vitamin acts as a meticulous conductor, ensuring that calcium, a fundamental mineral, is directed precisely to where it belongs, your bones and muscles, thereby ensuring they remain strong, dense, and perfectly coordinated. Without an adequate supply of vitamin K, calcium can unfortunately migrate to undesirable locations, contributing to unwelcome stiffness, arterial calcification, and even significant balance problems. Kale is also exceptionally rich in vitamin C, that essential nutrient your body actively utilizes to produce collagen. Collagen, as we know, provides the crucial structure and flexibility to muscle fibers, ligaments, and tendons. With an abundant supply of collagen, your body gains the capacity to bend, stretch, and move with significantly less risk of strain, injury, or discomfort. What elevates kale to an even more impressive status is its unique content of alpha-lipoic acid. This powerful antioxidant is a rare find in the vegetable kingdom, yet it plays an absolutely vital role in rigorously protecting muscle cells from the destructive forces of oxidative stress. Over the years, relentless free radicals gradually chip away at muscle tissue, leading to insidious fatigue and creeping weakness. Alpha-lipoic acid acts as a formidable defense, helping to dramatically slow down this wear and tear, thereby preserving precious strength and sustained energy levels. And then there's kale's remarkable mineral trio: magnesium, calcium, and potassium, all working in beautiful harmony. Together, these essential minerals meticulously regulate nerve signals and muscle contractions, which directly translates to fewer muscle cramps, steadier and more confident legs, and a significant reduction in that heavy, dragging sensation that can make walking feel like an arduous chore. Some individuals may initially hesitate to embrace kale due to its somewhat firm texture or its characteristic bitter edge, but with the correct and thoughtful preparation, it transforms into a surprisingly pleasant and enjoyable addition to any meal. Simply massage the raw leaves with a small amount of olive oil to tenderize them, steam them lightly, or sauté them for a wonderfully tender bite. Kale also blends beautifully and seamlessly into smoothies, especially when paired with ingredients like banana or lemon, and it adds a rich, earthy depth to both soups and casseroles. Kale is not just another green on your plate. It is a dynamic food that actively supports your muscles and bones in maintaining their resilience, empowering you to move with greater ease, fluidity, and unwavering confidence as the years gracefully unfold. Reach for spinach. Within every 100 grams of cooked spinach, you'll discover an impressive 3 to 5 grams of protein. While this figure may not be the highest on the spectrum, spinach's true, profound gift lies in its extraordinary ability to help your body extract maximum value and efficiency from the protein you consume in every single meal. A major contributing factor to this remarkable capability is its exceptionally rich supply of magnesium. Think of magnesium as the crucial on-off switch for your muscles. It meticulously regulates their contraction and relaxation cycles, ensuring they function precisely as they should. Without an adequate supply of this vital mineral, muscles are prone to cramping, fatigue sets in with alarming speed, and the recovery process after physical activity becomes frustratingly prolonged. By consistently incorporating spinach into your diet, these intricate systems suddenly begin to operate with significantly greater smoothness and efficiency. Spinach also contains natural nitrates, fascinating compounds that gently yet effectively widen blood vessels, leading to a profound improvement in overall circulation. For older adults, this translates directly into a stronger, more robust blood flow, ensuring that a greater supply of oxygen reaches your muscles, thereby providing more sustained energy to keep you moving without experiencing premature fatigue. And cleverly hidden within its vibrant green pigment are lutein and zeaxanthin. While most people recognize these as powerful protectors of eye health, they also actively combat inflammation throughout the entire body. This means less of that silent, insidious damage that slowly erodes your strength over time and a greater day-by-day resilience in your muscles. Spinach is often referred to as a foundation green because it doesn't necessarily need to be the main focus of a dish, but its consistent presence elevates the nutritional impact of everything else you eat. Toss a generous handful into scrambled eggs, stir it into a warming soup, or sauté it lightly with aromatic garlic and olive oil. It gracefully melts into almost any dish, working its quiet, powerful magic within your body. Furthermore, it is notably gentle on the stomach, making it an excellent choice for seniors who may have sensitive digestion or smaller appetites. And here's a little insider tip. Pairing spinach with foods rich in vitamin C, such as juicy tomatoes or tangy citrus fruits, significantly enhances the absorption of its iron content. This, in turn, helps your body produce healthy red blood cells and maintain steady, vibrant energy levels. Spinach isn't flashy or attention-seeking, but it is steadfast, remarkably dependable, and quietly powerful. Precisely the kind of unwavering ally your muscles need as the years gracefully advance. Thoracar mushrooms. Depending on the specific variety, a 100-gram serving of cooked mushrooms can provide an impressive 3 to 5 grams of protein. And here's a truly fascinating, often surprising fact. Once mushrooms are cooked, their significant water content decreases, which in turn makes their protein much more concentrated. This means that a single cup of sautéed mushrooms can actually deliver more usable protein to your body than you might ever expect from such a seemingly light and delicate food. Mushrooms are also naturally abundant in essential B vitamins, such as riboflavin and niacin, crucial nutrients that meticulously assist your cells in converting the food you eat into a steady, reliable source of energy. They are also celebrated as one of the very best plant-based sources of selenium, a powerful mineral that not only fortifies your immune system, but also diligently protects your muscles and joints by significantly lowering oxidative stress. What truly sets mushrooms apart and makes them even more exceptional are unique compounds like ergothioneine and beta-glucans. These extraordinary plant molecules act as formidable protectors at the cellular level, effectively calming chronic low-grade inflammation. For many older adults, this type of silent, persistent inflammation is the hidden underlying reason behind unexplained muscle loss, persistent joint discomfort, and that pervasive heavy dragging sensation often felt in the legs. Clinical research has even compellingly suggested that regularly incorporating mushrooms into your meals can dramatically improve recovery times, enhance your body's natural antioxidant defenses, and provide invaluable support for overall brain health. And because maintaining optimal coordination and balance is just as critically important as possessing raw physical strength, this makes mushrooms an incredibly powerful and versatile ally for staying steady, agile, and wonderfully confident as you gracefully age. For anyone seeking to gently yet effectively increase their protein intake without relying solely on animal-based foods, mushrooms represent an easy and delicious victory. They cook remarkably quickly, blend seamlessly into an almost countless array of recipes, and bring a wealth of benefits that extend far beyond their unique flavor profile. Sauté them with aromatic garlic, add them generously to your favorite soups and omelets, or roast them with a selection of fragrant herbs for a savory side dish that nourishes both your body and your mind. Mushrooms are not just a culinary delight, they are a cornerstone of a healthy, vibrant, and active lifestyle in your golden years. Turkish green peas? When you gather a cup of cooked green peas onto your plate, you're not just enjoying a simple side dish. You are, in fact, getting a significant nutritional boost of close to 8 grams of high-quality plant-based protein. This is a truly remarkable amount for such a small, familiar, and often underestimated food. Peas are naturally endowed with a rich concentration of branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, with leucine standing out as the unequivocal star among them. Leucine is the crucial trigger, the exact signal your body requires to activate muscle protein synthesis, the intricate biological process responsible for repairing and actively building new muscle fibers. For older adults, this mechanism is of paramount importance, as the body often becomes less responsive to protein signals over time, making muscle maintenance a greater challenge. Green peas provide a stronger, clearer, and more direct signal, delivering the necessary push that helps keep muscles robust, active, and less prone to age-related decline. But the extensive benefits of green peas certainly do not conclude there. They are also an exceptional source of dietary fiber, which plays a critical role in maintaining stable blood sugar levels and fostering a thriving, healthy digestive system. And here's the direct link to sustained muscle health. When your gut is functioning optimally, nutrients are absorbed far more efficiently and completely. This means that the valuable protein you consume from all sources is actually put to work building and repairing your body, rather than being inefficiently processed or even wasted. On top of these benefits, peas generously deliver both vitamin K and folate. These essential nutrients work in concert to help maintain healthy circulation, fortify bone strength, and actively reduce inflammation throughout the body, thereby providing quiet yet profound protection to your joints and connective tissues. The cumulative result of these actions is a significant reduction in stiffness, smoother and more fluid movement, and a greater sense of confidence in every step you take. What is truly remarkable about peas is their inherent simplicity and accessibility. You don't need to consult complicated recipes or seek out specialized products to enjoy their benefits. Simply add them to your favorite soups, mix them into vibrant stir-fries, or mash them with a drizzle of olive oil and fresh herbs for a quick, nutritious side dish. They are wonderfully gentle on digestion, effortlessly enjoyable, and far more powerful in their nutritional impact than their humble appearance might ever suggest. Scientific research even substantiates these claims. One study conclusively demonstrated that older adults who regularly included legumes, such as peas, in their meals were able to preserve muscle mass more effectively, all without needing to consume additional calories or alter their physical activity levels. Green peas are a testament to the fact that profound nutritional power can often be found in the most straightforward and wholesome foods. Hokar moringa drumstick leaves. Across the ancient landscapes of Asia and Africa, moringa, specifically its remarkable drumstick leaves, has been revered for centuries as far more than mere sustenance. Traditionally cherished for its incredible capacity to combat pervasive tiredness, gently soothe digestive discomfort, and powerfully strengthen the body's immune system, this humble leaf is now receiving global recognition as one of the absolute richest plant-based protein sources available to us. Fresh moringa leaves deliver an astounding close to 9 grams of protein per 100 grams, positioning them as one of the most concentrated protein powerhouses among all vegetables. This figure is substantially higher than what you would typically find in spinach or most other leafy greens, making it a true standout. And the most extraordinary aspect, moringa's protein is unequivocally complete. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, including the critically important leucine, the very amino acid that acts as the primary catalyst for sparking muscle repair and promoting significant growth. For older adults whose bodies naturally become less sensitive to protein signals over time, making muscle maintenance a constant challenge, this makes moringa exceptionally valuable and virtually indispensable. But moringa's unparalleled benefits extend far beyond its impressive protein profile. It concurrently delivers a profound wealth of nutrients that aging bodies particularly need. Its rich iron content helps to significantly elevate flagging energy levels, while its abundant calcium actively protects and fortifies bones. Furthermore, its potent array of antioxidants works tirelessly to calm the chronic inflammation that slowly, insidiously eats away at muscles and joints. In essence, moringa functions like a sophisticated, multi-layered defense system, diligently helping to preserve both strength and mobility from several crucial angles simultaneously. What makes moringa truly exceptional is its incredible versatility. It is remarkably easy to integrate into your diet and is wonderfully gentle on digestion, making it an ideal choice for those who seek to increase their protein intake without heavily relying on meat or dairy products. The fresh leaves can be gently simmered in nourishing soups and hearty stews, lightly sautéed with aromatic garlic for a simple yet potent side dish, or even dried and finely ground into a powder to blend seamlessly into smoothies or warm, comforting drinks. Even small, consistent amounts used regularly can lead to a profoundly meaningful difference, actively helping to maintain lean muscle mass, ensuring steady energy levels, and building overall resilience as time progresses. There are no fancy supplements required, no shortcuts to chase, just real, unadulterated, nourishing food performing exactly what it is designed to do. So, if moringa is a new discovery for you, consider this your unequivocal invitation to explore its myriad benefits. It very well may be the single most powerful green you have yet to experience. Ultimately, it is crucial to understand that no single food, no matter how potent, can shoulder the entire burden of your health and well-being. Vegetables, such as the remarkable ones we've explored today, are indeed powerful allies in the quest to maintain your muscles, but true, holistic strength and vitality are cultivated through thoughtful variety and synergy. Pair these incredible greens with a diverse selection of beans, wholesome whole grains, crunchy nuts, nutritious seeds, lean fish, or other healthy proteins, and suddenly you are equipping your body with an incredibly comprehensive toolbox of essential proteins, vital minerals, and protective antioxidants, all working in concert to ensure it not only survives, but truly thrives. Envision your dinner plate not as a collection of individual ingredients, but as a cohesive, high-performing team. Each food brings its own unique strengths and benefits to the table, and together they form an impenetrable shield, diligently protecting your muscles, fortifying your bones, and safeguarding your precious independence. Therefore, Omar, let these exceptional vegetables serve as a daily, unwavering foundation in your diet. But do not stop there. Build around them with an array of different colors, textures, and varied sources of nourishment. That truly is the holistic recipe for remaining strong, steady, vibrant, and profoundly energized well into your 70s and gracefully beyond. Now, we eagerly await your thoughts. Which of these powerful vegetables will you be enthusiastically adding to your meals this week? Please share your answer in the comments below. Your insights would truly delight us. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this invaluable video with anyone in your life who could benefit from a little extra strength and vitality.